It was a Sunday and we were taking a walk around 9:45 at night. And he asked me, Swamiji, why did we come here in this world? I started thinking how to answer his question. There was a cinema hall in front. The night show, in Indian cinemas, they have one last night show starting at 9:30. The night show had started. So I told him, you have money for 2 tickets. He said, yes. I said, buy 2 tickets. He said, for whom? I said, for you and for me. Arey Swamiji, you'll see a movie? Yeah, in your esteemed company, I'll definitely enjoy it. So we took the tickets and we entered the hall, Indian cinema hall, all pitch dark, and one usherer with a thin beam torch, he looked at our tickets and he pointed with the beam of the torch, you go up. So we both walked up and there was a second guy with a thin beam torch. He pointed with the beam of his torch, you sit on those 2 empty seats. And we sat down. Now those were the days of celluloid technology. So the movie was already going on. Indian Bollywood full of masala, hero, heroine, villain. Every 2 minutes there's a change, some car chase, aeroplane chase, etc. So this guy got lost in the plot in 15 minutes flat. He completely forgot that I'm by his side. I said, hey. He said, shh. I said, listen, don't disturb. So I caught his finger and gave a tug. Oh, Swamiji. I asked him, why did we come here? Mind you, 15 minutes ago, he had asked me the same question, why did we come here into the world? I turned the tables. I said, why did we come here into the cinema hall? He was so confused, he couldn't understand what to say. So I said, never mind, let's go out now. You'll get the answer to your question. When we went out, I said, look, in that cinema hall, you forgot everything. Who you are, who is with you, why you have come. And that white light that was being released by the strong lamp and passing through the celluloid, it was catching different colors and falling on that 70 mm screen. So that you accepted to be the reality. It was only light, colored light. So this illusion was made possible by the darkness of the hall. The moment at the end of the movie, when the manager of the hall comes and puts on the main lights, everybody's illusion is dispelled. Arey, where is my slippers? I hope I have not dropped my key. Let me be the first one out into the scooter stand, etc. Now they are back in the reality. So darkness creates illusion. Likewise, we souls have our consciousness turned away from God. Not physically, because He is everywhere. The consciousness is turned away from God. Hence, this ignorance of Maya has enveloped us. And this Maya is doing what? It has made us forget who we are. And we are thinking of ourselves to be the body.